Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Rule. Hey baby girl, tomorrow's barbecue day. You're excited? She's got no clue what's going on. I just pulled up at the restaurant Wholesale market. Basically, this is where all of the restaurants do their wholesale grocery shopping, or most of them at least. And this is where I buy some of my meat because they got things that other people might not have, and it's a one-stop shop. I had last week off. I just want to do my groceries and get cracking tomorrow. So then there's just one place you can go to. It's like this wholesale thing for restaurants. Unfortunately, I'm not able to take you guys in. I wish I could, but I think it's a bad idea. They're not gonna like it, so I'll be right back. This is a big haul, but it's for 4 videos, so I like to splurge a little on my ingredients. And I got some good stuff. But I also got some necessities and some things that I don't know if it's actually going to be good, but some things that we need to try. Let's get this out of the car. 531 euros. No, that's not cheap. I know. But it's a one-stop shop, and that's very valuable to me. Let me show you what I got. That's the good part. Oh, straight away I opened the veggie box. I got loads of spring onions, carrots, leek, fresh parsley, and I got a bag full of chili peppers. So that's the veggies, but nobody cares about the veggies. Everybody cares about what's inside this box. Alright, the first thing that I got, some pork belly. And this is New Zealand's pork belly. No, this Swedish pork belly, I should say. Like a really nice and firm, well marbled, loads and loads of meat. So when I saw this cut, I just had to have it. I got some beef tenderloin. Here is the big whopper, the one that probably raised the bill a little. This is the Aberdeen Black Australian ribeye, the whole ribeye. Like, look at this thing. That's a beauty, right? Real big boy. I got some polderhoen. Local chicken, free roaming, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chicken. Not like the exploding chicken, like the fat, juicy, watery ones. I mean, this is like the real deal, the real nice, good chicken. And then we got a whole lot of other stuff. Because tomorrow I'm going to be recording a video where we're going to be smoking the pork belly and then deep frying it. And I'm going to stuff this thing with roasted peppers. So I had to get a whole lot of stuff. And the one that I want to show you guys, this is like the garlic. This is what I got for stuffing. That's what we're going to do tomorrow. I'm not correct. We're stuffing the chicken and we're doing the pork roast. I needed like 100 cloves of garlic for the recipe, at least that's what the idea is. I want to stuff a chicken with 100 garlic cloves and then roast it. So of course you can get fresh, but what if we can use these? I'm gonna have to check and see if this works. I'm gonna do it tonight, just roast it up and see if it works properly, and then I can use it tomorrow. If not, I got a backup plan. As always, which are these, well, dried garlic, not fresh garlic, but dried ones. And I got plenty of them to get 10 garlic clove out of a bulb on average, so that's going to be at least 100 here. Oh yeah, I bought some cheese too. Where's the cheese? No way. I left the car open here, went inside with the kids because they came home from school, and I'm missing cheddar. Let's go check on the dog. See where she is, what she's doing. You see? Look at that. That's one guilty face. What did you do? Did you steal the cheese? Did you steal and eat the cheese? That's one guilty look. She definitely stole and ate the cheddar cheese. What are you happy about? You proud of yourself? Huh? No plastic anywhere. There's like no crime scene that I could investigate and take her to and just say, hey, what did you do? I want to be Sherlock Holmes at this moment. That damn dog. And I just gave her a bowl of fresh water. Should have left her with the old water. Welcome to the test facilities. The burnout kitchen, of course. With the Napoleon grill. Dude, it's so messy here. Like with the construction work, everything always is dirty. It's like, I can't describe it. It's like, you clean it, it gets dirty. You clean it, it gets dirty. Maybe one day we're going to be finished with construction work. We're going to have it clean all the time. Well, probably not. But, you know, everyone should have a dream. Clean workspace. How nice. How good would that be? So let's test that garlic, right? I gotta know. A lot of things I do from experience, so I know what it's like. I worked with it, I've done it before, but I've never used garlic from a jar before. I never tested it properly. So everything's dirty, man. What the freak? All right, let's get a pan. That'll do the trick. Let's test this thing. Some oil in the pan, using sunflower oil because it has almost no flavor in the oil itself. That's kind of important when running these tests. It's like, you gotta know. You don't want to have additional flavor. You gotta know what it tastes like. Because the plan is to put like 100 of them, put them in the pan, roast them, make them really nice and flavorful. But of course, the flavor is going to be really heavy, really strong. And what I want is like it to give off flavor to the chicken, not as much eat it per se, but like it's for people that really enjoy garlic, they can eat it. But people who think it's too heavy, we want to get that flavor down. We want to get like flavor, but you know, a lot of the goodness, like the sweetness and all of the ingredients, but that strong garlic freshness that it sometimes has, we got to get rid of that in the recipe. All right, so let's give these a try. First, I'm going to try the natural one. Here we go. Perfectly roasted. The garlic flavor went way to the back, and it has that like roasted potato flavor. Like the browning gives the caramelization on the outside. Now slowly it's releasing garlic. Of course, I haven't put salt on it or pepper on it, and it's just like, it's really good. I like it. It's good garlic. Now let's try the one from the jar. Actually, that's really nice. I was so worried I had to peel all of the garlic, and I thought maybe I put it just as for fun, a job for Morrison to do, but I'm going to use this. This is going to be freaking nice. Can't wait. Can't wait, man. I think I was a little naive. I saw a big bulb sticking out in the garden, and we just sow grass in this land. And I was thinking like, what's that crazy bulb? Must be some crazy big mole. So I went toward it with my rake, so to just flatten it out, make everything smooth again, like this giant hole. And guess what I found? The cheddar. Now I gotta find me some new cheddar, because I ain't gonna eat this. This is going in the bin. She isn't getting it either. No way. No freaking way. Tomorrow we're gonna be cooking with some fresh cheddar. Well, fresh old cheddar that is.
What's up?
Morning.
Are you rested?
Well rested.
Are you ready for barbecue?
I'm always ready.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah, I think the dog is hungry too.
You know what the dog did yesterday?
What?
She was really bad. She's so happy to see you. She stole a kilogram of cheddar cheese.
A kilogram?
And ate half of it and buried the other half.
Oh man. What did you do?
You happy? Are you happy?
Are you happy? Yeah. Yeah.
She's happy. let's get some coffee and tea.
Yeah.
And set up the whole stuff.
Yeah.
Because I showed everybody yesterday what we bought, so I want to show them what we're actually gonna cook.
Let's get cooking.
All right, we're all set up, and Morsten's about to take the picture. The picture of the rib roast with the chili peppers. And originally I wanted jalapeno peppers, but I think the chili peppers are gonna work out better. I think that's gonna do. It's gonna do well. Look at that big mountain of chili peppers. This is like a photo that we're making for the thumbnail. Looks okay-ish, but not perfect. So of course we're gonna go for perfect, and you're gonna go for perfect, Morten?
Yeah, perfect-ish.
Perfect-ish? No, definitely not perfect-ish. Perfect. We want the ultimate shot. So we just roasted 50 peppers, and then we put them in aluminum foil and let them rest. But then we also had to peel them. Morten, how much time did we spend peeling peppers?
Maybe 45 minutes. And you know what we came up with?
That's all that's left.
I can grab it with one hand. That's terrible.
We're already halfway through the day. We didn't really do anything. Well, a lot of work, but a lot of work goes into these videos. I think you're gonna appreciate what it turns into. So you see, now it's all worth it. Look at this beast! Oh, loaded up with the peppers, and look at that cheese, man. We're almost getting to the point where we're gonna record the chicken with the garlic, but I want to give you guys a quick sneak preview on our beautiful rib roast. Oh, look at that beauty. Now that is one tasty roast. Time to start working on our chicken. We're prepping with the rub and we're putting it on. Then we're going to roast the garlic like completely planned. And I'm so glad I did the test yesterday, so I'm now really confident that we're making the right thing. We're getting the recipe right. So Morten,
Yeah.
you're excited about eating 100 cloves of garlic?
Always.
See, Morten always excited. No matter what you feed Morten, he's happy.
I can't stop.
Now, finally, we got into the garlic moment. This is what roasting 100, probably it's more than 100, but this is what it looks like. Roasting 100 garlic cloves, and then it goes into the chicken. I can't wait.
I got some good news.
Good news?
Our first ever chuck roast just hit 1 million.
Ooh, 1 million. That's good news. I like millions. $1 million revenue?
Millions of dollars. Look at that. 1 million.
Uno millones.
And it's Jim's first edit that hits 1 million. So he's thrilled as
It's
well.
Jim's first million.
Yeah.
Nice. I got you something. A present.
Yeah, I can't talk about it, so
No.
I'll deny that I have it.
Yes, because why?
Some of you might know what it is, but I won't say it. And it's amazing. And I think that some of you really are waiting for a long time for it. You're gonna love it. You're just gonna love it. Check it out.
Are they gonna love it as
Where?
much as 100 garlic cloves in a chicken?
Ooh, that's a difficult one. That's a difficult one. 100 garlic cloves in a chicken, or that thing that I don't talk about.
Ooh, exciting. Exciting stuff. All this exciting stuff going on. Man, that's not the right way to hold the camera. I'm still learning this vlogging thing. But look at how wide this lens is. Woo-wee! The chicken is in. Look at it. What a beauty. Oh man. I can't wait for this to be done. If it turns out nice and crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside with that beautiful garlic flavor, I'm going to be so happy. How was the chicken, man?
It was amazing. It was amazing. They should probably watch the video. If it comes out, you gotta watch it.
It's totally worth it.
Totally worth it.
Every freaking minute.
Every freaking minute. I never ate so much garlic in my life, but it's doable.
It's totally doable. Are you tired?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
It was exhausting.
It was an exhausting day.
Eating all the food.
So eating so much garlic. Oh, see you guys. See you.
Bye bye, Marcin.
See you.
Bye bye. The car is that way, huh?
Yeah, my car is that way. I'll just walk around.
Oh, okay, okay.